it's Amber Dawn. Today's video I'm going to do another unboxing of a THREDUP rescue box. So what I'm unboxing today is a 10-pound men's lot. And I don't know what it is, but it's 10 pounds of men's clothing, various sizes. And again, this is a box that I haven't gotten before. The unboxing of the other boxes that I have done previously, I will link in the comments below. So if you want to watch those videos, make sure to watch those after this video. So let's get started. Alright, so opening it up, comes with the invoice, and this box is $40, and I ended up getting it when they were on sale, 15% off. So I still had to pay the $5.99 shipping, so with 15% off, I actually got it with shipping for $39.99. Not a bad deal for 10 pounds of men's clothing. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing I'm seeing is this blue, it looks like a sweatshirt. Yeah. Oh, so this is a blue Nike sweatshirt in a size medium. Seems to be in really, really good condition. It's a really cute and fun color. So this is a really good first one to start with. So the second item, new with tags, and this is Forever 21, and this is a size 32 mid-rise slim hip, slim leg jeans. Okay, so they're a light wash, and then you can kind of see the design around the thigh and knee area, kind of like the Moto, if you think maybe. But these are cute and new with tag. So the price tag says $32.90, and they are in really good shape. One leg is rolled up, one leg's not, so I guess maybe this is how it's supposed to come, or maybe how it came when it was shipped or something, but good. So the first two items I would say are really good. I don't know why people don't sell more men's clothing. So if you strictly just sell women's clothing and you're wanting to venture out, I would suggest trying men's clothing, and this would be a good place to start if you're lost, because $40 is not a bad price for 10 pounds, and that way you're not spending your time sorting through Goodwill racks. If you're not familiar with men's clothing, this would be a good base place to start. So the third item is pair of like jogger sweatpants, and I don't see the tag, but I saw a logo, and they are Lululemon. So I'm assuming these are men's Lululemon joggers. I'm not seeing a tag in here anywhere. Do you know where the tags are for the men's? It might be, I don't know. Maybe it's down at the leg? Surely it wouldn't be at the leg. Nope. So Lululemon's good. I just don't know what size it is. I could just measure it and kind of go from there and go off their guidelines for that, but they appear to be in really, really good shape, and they have pockets, and this pocket, and then there's one in the back. So really, really nice. This box is already good. So the next item is brand new and sealed. So this is men's New Balance. I can see it's a medium varsity hoodie, but I'm trying to see if there's a price. Nope. So I can't see a price on the price tag, but it is a relaxed fit. It's just a gray New Balance medium hoodie. Brand new, sealed, still in the bag with the tags attached. So they probably ordered this online. I don't know why. I don't know why someone wouldn't want this, but I sure will take it. The next item is another Nike, and this is a dry fit, a medium, just kind of like a workout top. So it's really good to wear to the gym, and this is a really lightweight material. Like, I would say this is probably 4 ounces or less. Like, that's how light it is. It's really, really lightweight, breathable material. This would be really good in the summer. So this is a dry fit, and it's running. That's probably why it's light. But fun design, and it's in good condition as well. Everything in this box has either been brand new or excellent use conditions. So far, I've already unboxed 5 things, and I can see we still have more to go. So I would say this is a really, really good box. My next item is a pair of white pants, brand new with tags. These are Izod, and these are a size 36. So really good. Again, these will be perfect for the summer. Everyone that goes to the beach, they always wear white for those beach pictures. So if you wear size 36 and you need shorts, these will be on my POSHMARK, and I'll link that down below as well. So now would be a good time to list some items if you're wanting to get rid of for someone to buy for Father's Day. Now would be a good time to list it. The next item is from Big Lots, and it's men's flannel pant. So this says it's $8, but it's still brand new. So again, another new item. And I'm trying to see, okay, so this is a medium. This is a waist size 32-34. And it's just a basic, the plaid flannel that you would assume the color would be. This is what color it is, and pretty cool. New with tags again. So it looks like we have 4 more items, I think so. I just briefly looked, but at least 4 more items. So this is a really, really, really good box. I'm really happy with this box. The next item, y'all, is new with tags again. And this is FJ. So this is the FootJoy medium. Brand new with tags. It's a vest. I'm not sure. Do people wear this golfing? I don't know where they wear this or what they wear this on top of, but someone will want it, and it doesn't have the actual price tag of how much it retails for, but brand new with tags, and it is a size medium. Yep. So majority of this box is a medium, which that's a good size to go with. So nice. The next item, brand new with tags. I kid you not. So these are Sean John. The MSRP for these is $88. The size is a 34. So they're a really nice jean. It just says summer raw indigo, I don't know. Straight leg relaxed fit. So this is the Hamilton. And it's really cute on the back as well. I love the detail on the pockets, on the front one as well. Really, really nice. Next item is new with tags again. This has never happened to me. This is the best THREDUP unboxing I have ever done. So this is Columbia in my favorite color. So this is Columbia new with tags. This is a size small. So it is a long sleeve, let's see, sun protection. So, okay. So this is what you would wear fishing. This is a fishing shirt in a beautiful color if anyone wants it. But brand new with tags. Let's see if it shows price. Retails $48. So that is this item. And I thought we had, okay, so it looks like we have 3 more items to go. So the next item is not new with tags, but that is all right. The brand is XGO, the First Layer Defense. Never heard of it. It's a size medium. It's like another athletic shirt, long sleeve. So that's cool. But has anyone heard of this brand? XGO. I've never heard of it. That appears to be in good condition as well. Next item is a Banana Republic size extra large. Banana Republic size extra large sweater. I think this is a brown color. Yeah, brown. Really, really nice. It's in a really good condition. Really good. And the last item I can already see is new with tags. And this is a Hollister polo. Yeah. So a Hollister polo in size small. And it does have some stretch to it. And it retails for $24.95. Size small, purple. Perfect condition. So out of my 10-pound box, I scored 13 items. Majority of the items were new with tags, and I ended up paying with shipping $39.99. I think this is the best THREDUP unboxing I have done to date. I have a few more that I've ordered that are coming, but I don't know if they can top this one. So again, if you aren't used to selling men's clothing, I would highly recommend starting with the THREDUP Rescue Box for the men's clothing. $40 retail, and right now they do have a promo code that I'll link down below that you can get free shipping, so you can get it straight for $40, and it's 10 pounds of various clothing for men. And I would rate this box 10 out of 10. This is a really good box. I feel very happy with this. I will definitely make my money back on this box and then some. Everything that I have I will list on POSHMARK and probably eBay. So I will list that below if you're interested in any of the pieces and want to shop them. So what did you guys think about this THREDUP unboxing of the men's box? Did you like the items? Have you gotten a men's box before? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can be notified of more unboxing videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.